Waziki movement number. Mapo. Hata wazubari ukidani jina yeye ndio manjawa sablena malda. Uguna le UPD into mata tarab.
Yeah, the brigade commander. Yes. On Saturday we visited this area.
Yes.
We went up to the center. Yes. So then here, actually we were able to show us where they keep the dead bodies.
Yes, yes.
So, like I said, both sides, you are giving us the correct positions.
Yes.
The only thing which is changing, it's the narrative. But it's the same points and the same things. So we visited this area. Maybe I don't know where Wani is. That's the other place that we would want you to show us.
Garbalan is just on the side. The other side. Oh, you mean the side
where
going
we went
to Kerwa?
At the bridge.
The side going to Kerwa is very far.
No, here, where we went at the bridge.
Bridge? Which bridge?
That one. Moya side.
You mean Moya side?
Yes.
That would be Moya side.
That is one of.
Weno. Yes, we went there up to the stream there, and then we saw the outpost of the other SPDF. Yeah, they have been.
So I don't know how far it is. We have also to go there.
From here to...
From here to where? One.
We have to get back.
You know,
Get back.
here, if we are to move to all the locations, it will take us almost 2 days. Because our border with the Yumbe is very large.
Yeah, yeah.
Have to carry our then border with the Morobo and the Koboko.
Medical
And all those areas are encroached. If we are to move there, it will take us a day.
What about the Jew?
And then you also know that Moyo is bordering us from here. And then Yumbe from here. But when we go to Moyo, right from Jale, where you got us, when you are coming, from Jale, the other time President Museveni and the king came there, on top of the mountain there, that place which is up there.
Even the shore.
Yes, and I was one of those who was with them. That time I was the secretary of
But the
SPLM.
RDC shore.
And then we moved. From there, it is 7 miles up to our border. If you see from that map, up to Moyo Barracks falls on our side.
Okay.
That Moyo Barracks is there. When you reach Moyo Barracks, and then you go ahead there, you find there is a small bridge there, small stream moving this way. That is the border of the bridge.
We'll do
So, Commissioner, sir, from here, where is the border of South Sudan? From here?
That you support.
Approximately.
From here, because we don't move up to there. From here up to Gobor, you know that barracks in Gobor when you get from there, still within our land. Gobor is within our land. And then when you move from Gobor also, you move ahead, and it's almost intercepting the road coming from Moyo to, just near that road coming from Moyo to Yumbe. You see? And then from there, the line moves this way up to Mountain Midigo, and it caps the Midigo on our side. And then from there up to Raba.
We make it like this.
It's a long way.
Like what we have been briefed.
It is just a small area that you can see maybe 1 kilometer, no?
We will take all the information that they give us, and then we put them into consideration or report. Last time when we are standing there, they told us even our border is here. Yes. Yeah, according to So South Sudan now.
But this is our people. This is
we know.
From this place.
From our commissioner now and the other delegation, they say that their border is still down there. If not, the main road going to...
The main road going from Moyo to...
So let her take this.
Moyo to Yumbe.
Let her take this. We will not take honorable up to that area.
Okay.
Yeah.
Maybe what we need to know, according to South Sudan, could you tell us where Uganda claimed the border to be?
Uganda?
Yes.
Okay. What they wrote to me, the RDC road that from DC, they touch here, is 1 kilometer ahead. 1 kilometer, that means up to the healthy facility. Up to the healthy facility. Yes. According to them. Up to the healthy facility is still Uganda. Yes. And for us, we claim from here, more than 15 kilometers.
Which place would we call that?
You leave Gobor behind and you go ahead. There is no stream that cross from there. There is no stream. There is another stream there ahead there called Kwenda, and then you move to another called Barawa. You still cross.
It's not a border.
And in the area they push.
Still is not the border.
I know, 95.
He's now in Uganda.
I know, he's now in Uganda.
And that's where we train our SPLA soldiers.
From Gombe.
I went, even there is a fire broke out.
And for example, when you move, if you are moving from that side to Yumbe, from Keriwa, you will move from Keriwa Mountain
to Majale.
and then to Mijale, and then from Mijale up to Midigo Mountain. African Union in 2008, before our independence, came and toured the area. They found their point is in Midigo. Midigo is on our side. There is a primary school of Midigo there.
And Midigo is 15 kilometers away from here.
No, from that side. From that side.
From there,
maybe
from Keriwa is 17 miles. 17 miles, which is around 24 kilometers.
24 kilometers. From Keriwa. I know. There. I used to
and from that distance, from Midigo up to where they stop now, they created 2 sub-counties in.
I am myself who is a resident of this area. I was born in Gobor in 1974.
Gobor was our place.
I was born in Gobor.
And then the place they call now, they call it Kumurofe. Kumurofe is where I was born from.
So these people came in Gobor in 2006 when there were displacement in Moyo. They brought these people in Gobor.
I was born from there.
Yes.
I know all the streams, I know all everything.
Okay. Yeah. Now we take it as it is. Yes. The hand of Uganda is just down there. Also, we can take it from South Sudan side.
Beyond Gomoropo.
Gomoropo is inside.
That is.
That's where I was born. There was a mountain there called Kalurunga. That's why we used to play in that mountain.
The land, the people.
But they've taken it.
All South Sudan.
When you see that road which comes from Gobor, cuts it this way up to...
Manas and people who ran, these people is still there.
They are displaced from here.
The one who have these farm are property. Who have this land?
Who are the owner of this land?
The landlords.
The landlords here.
The landlords, you come.
Yeah. What is the dollar?
Down there.